In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut for a GOG game on your desktop using GOG Galaxy. This is a quick and simple way to make your favorite game easier to launch without having to open the launcher every time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GOG Galaxy and go to your installed library. This is where all of your downloaded and installed games are listed, so it's the best place to start. Once you're in your library, find the game you want to create a shortcut for. You can right-click on the game's title or even right-click on the artwork, whichever is easier for you. After that, hover your mouse over Manage Installation. A menu will appear with several options, and from there, select Show Folder. This will open the exact folder where the game is installed on your computer. Now that the folder is open, look for the main game application file. This is usually the file that launches the game directly. Right-click on that game application, then choose Send to, and select Desktop. On some systems, it may simply say Send to Desktop. Once you click that, Windows will create a shortcut on your desktop for that game. And that's it. You now have a desktop shortcut for your GOG game, making it much faster and easier to launch whenever you want. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.